Before we start the second part in our lesson, I revise quickly about the first part we said yesterday. Yesterday, we talked about the properties of the quadrilaterals, and we said the quadrilateral is the polygon which has 4 sides, and we said we have 5 quadrilaterals. The first one is parallelogram. In the parallelogram, each 2 opposite sides are equal in length and parallel, and also each 2 opposite angles are equal in measure. The second one is the rectangle. In the rectangle, each 2 opposite sides are equal in length and parallel, and all its angles are equal in measure because it has 4 right angles. The third one is the rhombus. In the rhombus, all its sides are equal in length. It has 4 equal sides, and each 2 opposite angles are equal in measure. And the fourth quadrilateral square, in the square, all its sides are equal in length. Also, it has 4 equal sides, and all its angles are equal in measure because it has 4 right angles. The fifth quadrilateral is the trapezoid. In the trapezoid, we have only 2 parallel sides. We have only 1 pair of parallel sides. For that, we said the rectangle is a parallelogram with 4 right angles, and the rhombus is a parallelogram with 4 congruent sides, and the square is a rectangle but with 4 congruent sides, and also the square is a rhombus but with 4 right angles. Today, inshallah, the second part in the lesson. You remember in the triangle we said the sum of the measures of its interior angles is 180. You remember? Grade 5, remember?
Yes, 180 minus.
Triangle, in the triangle, yes, in the triangle, if you remember, we said the sum of the measures is 180, and to find the unknown angle, we subtract 180 minus the sum of the given angles. Today, يا جماعة, the same idea, but in the quadrilateral. In the quadrilateral, the sum of the measures of its interior angles must be 360. 360. And to find the unknown angle measure, we subtract 360 minus the sum of the given angle. The same idea, but we use 360. And also, if you have parallelogram, if you have rectangle, we can use the properties of it. Yani in the parallelogram, for example, if we have missing angle, this angle equals the opposite one. We can use this idea to find the unknown angle. طيب, let's start يا جماعة. Find the measure of the unknown angle. This a parallelogram. We have angles 47 degrees, 133 degrees, 133 degrees, and this is the unknown one. What is the measure of this angle? Who can tell me يا جماعة? Using the properties of the parallelogram. What is the measure of this angle? Yes, Yasin Sadat.
First, we'll add all the numbers that we have already,
Okay,
which is 100.
this all is right, not wrong. But I want
Okay.
use the properties of the parallelogram. In the parallelogram, Yasin, we said each 2 opposite angles are
Parallel and equal.
angles are equal. يعني this angle 47, what is the measure of opposite
It
with?
will be 47.
Yes, it will be
I
47.
know.
يبقى this
I know, but
we can use the properties of parallelogram. The opposite angle of the unknown one is 47, then the measure of it will be also a 47. This without counting. Okay? طيب.
but if we don't know, if we, for example, don't know, we have
if
to
you
add
don't
all.
know this one, listen, Yasin, please. If you do not remember this property, what you will do, we can subtract يا شباب. Okay. Yes, Yasin, tell me, 360 60 minus
minus 47 plus
47
133 plus 133.
plus 133 plus 133. طبعا we start to add firstly 47 plus 133 plus 133. We can do it down here. 133 plus 133 plus 47. Add firstly. Yes, Yasin. Huh? Add 3 plus 3.
3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 plus 7
6 plus 7
equals 13.
13. 3 and carry up
Carry up 1.
over 3. 1 plus 3.
1 plus 3 equals 4. 4 plus 3 7.
7 plus 4.
11. 1 carry up
11.
1.
1 and carry up 1 over 1. 1 plus 1. Yasin.
Oh, sorry. 1 plus 1 equals 2.
2 plus 1.
Equals 3.
3. The sum here is 360.
313.
Then after that يا جماعة we subtract 360
minus 313.
minus 313. Add firstly then subtract. طيب 0 minus 3 طبعا can't be. ياسين
0 minus 3 can't be. So we'll take from the 6, it will be 5.
6 will be 5 and 0 will be 10. 10 minus 3
equals 7.
Equals 7. And
5 minus 1 equals 4.
Equals 4. It will be 47 as we did here again. This will be 47. طيب the next one طبعا the next one is not parallelogram, not rectangle, not square. يبقى in this parallel it's also not trapezoid. Here no parallel lines. يعني for that يا جماعة we must use this idea بقى. We subtract 360 minus the sum of the given angles. Amr, can you do it with me, please?
Yes.
Yes.
360
minus
107 plus
150
plus 43
plus 43. Okay. Add firstly 107 plus 150 plus
180
plus 43, I think.
43.
43, yes.
Yes.
Okay. 43. يلا add يا عمرو. 7 plus 3
10.
10. 0
1.
carry up 1 over 0. 1 plus 0 equals 1 plus 5.
6.
6 plus 4.
10.
10. 0 and carry up 1.
1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3.
1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 300. And now subtract 360 minus 300. 360 minus 300. It will be 60. The difference will be 60 here. Okay. Then the measure of the unknown angle is 60 degrees.
Mister, can I say C?
The next one. Muhannad.
Okay.
يا مهند.
Yes, mister.
Yes. $360 minus
Minus 124.
124 plus
152.
152 plus
32.
32.
32.
Add firstly 124
124 plus
124 plus 100 152
152
152 and 32. Okay, 152 and 32. Add 4 plus 2
to 6
equals 6. 6 plus 2
8
equals 8. Okay. And 2 plus 5
7
7 plus 3
10
10. 0 carry up 1. 1 plus 1
2
2 plus 1
3
3. The result will be 308. Now subtract 360 minus 308. 0 minus 8
is B.
can
Get
be
5.
from 6.
6 will be 5.
6 will be 5. And 0 will be 10. 10 minus 8.
1 minute.
10 minus 8.
2
2. And 5 minus 0 equals 5. 3 minus 3 0. Then the result here will be 52. 52 degrees. Okay. طيب the next one. سليم. 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 طيب اوكي. ياسين عدي. يلا عدي.
Yeah, mister.
Yes يا عدي, quickly please.
Okay. We will make 100
360 minus
360 minus 164
146 plus. طبعا يا جماعة
46 plus
this square means 90. It's a right angle. 90
right angle
plus 90.
plus 90.
Okay, add firstly. يلا 146 plus 90 plus 90. 6 plus 0 plus 0
Equals 6.
equals 6. 4 plus 9
4 and 9 plus 9 or 4 plus 9.
4 plus 9
13.
13 plus 9
22.
21.
21.
21 or 22?
22.
22. يلا 2 and carry up 2. 2 plus 1
2 plus
equals
2 plus 1 equals 3.
Subtract 360 minus 326. يلا 0 minus 6
equal 0.
No, can't be يا حبيبي. 0 smaller than 6. We borrow 1 from 5. From 6, it will be 5.
From 6 will be 10.
Here will be 10. 10 minus 6?
4.
4. And then 5 minus 2 equals
5 minus 2 equals 3.
3. And 3 minus 3 is 0. Then the result here will be 34 degrees. Thank you, Aday. طيب, the next one يا جماعة. I want to find it.
مستر
Use the properties of the parallelogram. What is the measure of the unknown angle? يا ممدوح.
يا مستر
Yes, يا ممدوح. What is the measure of this angle?
120 degrees.
120. Because it's opposite to 120. They are equal in measure. Okay. I said the next one.
105 degrees.
105. Also the same idea يا جماعة. Opposite angles. Opposite angles. 105 degrees. Okay. The next one. This a square. What is the measure of the unknown angle? Square.
90.
The measure, yes. The measure of any angle in the square is 90 because it's right angle. We said yesterday it has 4 right angles. Right, the last, we use the idea of 360. Hamid?
Yes, Master.
يلا حامد 360 minus
360 minus 72 minus 105 minus 108
plus 108
plus 108
plus 128
108
plus
plus
70
127 72
plus 72. Right, we add first 108 128 and 72 and 72. Add A plus 8
for 16 plus 2 18
18
carry 8
8
carry
up
8
1
yes
8 carry up 1 1 plus 0
1
plus 2
3
3 plus 7
10
10
0 and carry 1
carry up 1 1 plus 1 2 plus 1
3
308 we did before يا جماعة. It will be 52 the same this one we did before.
Okay.
It will be 52 here. Okay, 52 degrees. طيب, the second exercise. For each quadrilateral, name the parallel, perpendicular, and congruent sides. Congruent means equal. The first is parallelogram ABCD. Which sides are equal as you said yesterday, يا جماعة? The opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides are equal. Yes, يعني the first two sides equal here. AB equals CD. We have another two sides equal also.
AD and BC.
AD and BC. Yes, also they are equal. يبقى each two opposite sides are equal. طيب, we have parallel sides also. The parallel sides are the same sides. The same sides also, because yesterday we said each two opposite sides are equal in length and parallel. يبقى here برضه يا جماعة AB parallel to CD and AD
parallel to BC.
BC.
DC.
Parallel to BC. طيب, we have perpendicular here. What's the meaning of perpendicular? Who is remember?
Perpendicular.
The perpendicular lines which make right angles with us. You remember?
Yes.
No.
We talk in
don't
the
know.
first term. طبعا here there is no right angles. يبقى here
No right angles.
we don't have perpendicular lines. We have only equal sides and parallel sides. طيب, in the second, this is a trapezoid. We have equal sides here.
Yes.
Equal sides.
Yes, two equal sides only.
No equal sides here. No sides are equal here. But we have parallel. Which is
AD.
yes.
AD and
CB.
CB.
Yes, AD parallel to BC. The opposite sides here are parallel. AD parallel to
CD.
BC or CB. Okay. Type. My question now is AB parallel to DC?
No.
No, because this if CD continues and the AB continues, they will intersect. They are not parallel. But we have perpendicular sides here.
Yes.
Yes.
AB.
Yes.
Yes, A and B.
Sorry, again.
A and B.
AB perpendicular to this is the symbol of perpendicular يا جماعة. 1 second please. This is the symbol of perpendicular.
And line.
This is the symbol of perpendicular. 7 seconds.
It's like T, but it's
Yes, like T but opposite.
yes.
Sorry. Yes, this is the symbol of perpendicular. Yes, AB perpendicular to
CD.
which side make right angle with AB يا جماعة? We have two sides make right angle with AB. AD,
AD.
AD, AD, and also
CB.
yes, AB perpendicular to also BC. They make right angles also with us. AB perpendicular to AD and also AB perpendicular to BC. طيب. The next exercise. Concentrate يا شباب. Answer the following questions. One pair of congruent angles in a parallelogram each measure 50 degrees. What is the measure of each of the missing angles? طيب, concentrate كده يا جماعة معلش. Concentrate. I want to take this one. Concentrate. 1 minute, please. Take care. In this parallelogram, we have two missing angles and we have two angles equal. each of them is 50 degrees. You want to find the measure of each of the unknown angles. طيب, what you will do? Take care, guys. We said, what is the sum of the four angles?
360.
360. طيب, if we subtract 360 minus 50 plus 50, we will find the
200.
sum. Wait, please. We will find the sum of these two angles, of the two missing angles. يعني if we subtract, take care, 360 minus the sum of 50 plus 50.
Mister, I know.
طب listen بس يا ياسين لو سمحت. When we subtract يا جماعة 360 minus 50 plus 50, we will find the sum of the other two angles. طيب, let's find it firstly. 50 plus 50 equals 50 plus 50, 100. طيب, when we subtract 360 minus 100, 0 minus 0,
160.
yes, it will be 260. 260 is the sum of the other two angles. He wants the measure of each of them. What we will do?
I know,
Divide
mister.
Very good.
Divide by 2.
Very good. We divide by 2. 260
Divided by 2.
by 2.
26. No.
Listen. We will find it by easy way. We will divide digit. Start from the left. 2 divided by 2.
What?
2 divided by 2.
Who divided by 2?
2 divided by 2. 2.
Oh, 4.
يا جماعة, any number divide
One.
itself equals 1.
1.
طيب, 6 divided by 2.
3. 13
3. And 0 divided by 2.
0.
0. Then the measure of
160
each angle is 130. The measure of each angle is 130. كده يا جماعة, one pair of congruent angles in a parallelogram equals 50. It means we have two angles, each of them is 50. He wants the measure of each of the other two angles. When we subtract 360, because 360 is the sum of the four angles, 360 minus 50 plus 50 give you the sum of the other two angles. He wants the measure of each of them, you divide the sum by 2. طيب, the next is easy. Here he give you, read, the sum of the measures of three angles of a quadrilateral is 280. He give you the sum of the three angles and he wants the force. What you will do?
260 minus 280.
Yes, we subtract the sum of the four angles, 360, minus the sum of the other three angles, 280.
280.
It will be 0 minus 0,
0.
0. And 16, 6 طبعا minus 8 can't be. It will be 16. 16 minus 8 equals 8.
2.
And then
2 minus 2.
2 minus 2
0.
equals 0. يعني
So
this
the
will be,
rectangle measures 8.
the measure of the unknown angle is 80
80.
degrees. Okay يا شباب. This the lesson of the quadrilateral. Is it easy يا شباب?
Yes.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy يا مستر. سهلة.
ياسين, you are funny ما شاء الله. Okay يا جماعة. This today's homework. Page 123. All the page from 1 to 10. All the page.
Okay.
Okay يا شباب. Thank you
مستر
for
انا خلصت الهوم ورك ده يا مستر وبعت.
الحمد لله. Okay يا شباب. See you tomorrow إن شاء الله.
Bye, mister.
السلام عليكم.
السلام عليكم.
عليكم